अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज मेरा जो क्लास है वो क्लास सिक्स सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश। आज हमें करने हैं जो हमारा टॉपिक है ये ए टेल ऑफ टू बर्ड्स। टॉपिक ए टेल ऑफ टू बर्ड्स। ए टेल ऑफ टू बर्ड्स। टेल ऑफ टू बर्ड्स। पेज नंबर 106। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 क्या है? How did the two baby birds get separated? How did the two baby birds get separated? ये क्वेश्चन है How did the two baby birds get separated? ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, पेज नंबर 106 पे। The two baby birds get separated, इसका हम आंसर लिखेंगे the two baby birds get separated by a big storm. जो वहाँ तूफान आया था उसी से ये दो जो बेबी बर्ड थे ये सेपरेट हुए, अलग हुए। The strong wind blew them to the other side of the jungle. Other side of the forest. मैंने क्या आंसर लिखा है इसका? क्वेश्चन How did the two baby birds get separated? Answer: the two baby birds get separated by a big storm. The strong wind blew them to the other side of the forest. Question number 2. Why did each of them find a home? Question number 2. Why did each of them find a home? Each of them find a home. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है। Why did each of them find a home? One of them, आंसर इसका है one of them came down near a cave. Near a cave, and other found a home, and other found a home on a tree outside Mauritius. On a tree near Mauritius. Ashram. Yes, ashram. ये हम कैपिटल लिखेंगे। Question number 2. Why did each of them find a home? Answer: one of them came down near a cave, and the other found a home on a tree near Rishi's ashram. Question number 3. Why did the first bird say to the stranger? What did Question number 3. What did the first bird What did the first bird say to the stranger? Say to the stranger. इसका हम आंसर लिखेंगे. Question. What did the first bird say to the stranger? आंसर इसका है. The first bird said, hurry up. The first bird said, hurry up. There is someone under a tree. There is someone under a tree. Come and take his jewels. Come and take his jewels. Come and take his jewels and his horse. इसका हमने आंसर लिखा है. Question number 3. What did the first bird say to the stranger? The first bird said, hurry up, there is someone under a tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. इसी का आंसर हमने लिखा. The first bird said, hurry up, there is someone under a tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. तो ये question number 3, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. आज हमने इसके 3 जो क्वेश्चन हैं वो कंप्लीट किए हैं. मैं एक बार फिर रिपीट करता हूँ. How did the two baby birds get separated? The two baby birds get separated by a big storm. The strong wind blew them to the other side of the forest. Question 2. Why did each of them find a home? Answer. One of them came down near a cave and the other found a home on a tree near a rish's ashram. Question number 3. Why did the first bird say to the stranger? The first bird said, hurry up, there is someone under a tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. इसी के साथ ही हमने जो आज का पीरियड है वो खत्म हुआ है. बाकी शुक्रिया.